So we have been told now by the mainstream, by our teachers, by everybody trying to teach us stuff, that the earth is a ball, and it's spinning endlessly through outer space. This is what science says. This is what NASA's been telling us. This is what science has been telling us. It's just weird to me because when you really do the research, it doesn't seem like we are spinning at all. It seems like the earth is standing still and everything else around it is moving. So the sky above the earth is moving, not the actual earth. The earth is not going anywhere. And that explains why the North Star is in the same exact location every night. I mean, the Georgia Guidestones prove this. Telescopes prove this. Track the North Star in your telescope. It will not move. How are we endlessly going through a galaxy, billions of miles a year, but the North Star is always in the same position? Well, the most basic and easy explanation for this would be that we are not moving. We are not moving. We are standing still. Everything is rotating around the earth. The sun goes in a circle, which is exactly what it says in the Bible. It moves in a circle, and a circle is two-dimensional and flat. Why is it important to understand this? Because they take advantage of us. They take advantage of our mind. If you are not capable of understanding the most obvious thing in the world, which is that we are not spinning on a ball, there isn't a single part of us, our mind, our body, that feels like we're spinning on a ball. Not a single part of it. It feels like we're not moving. So to say we're spinning on a ball, it goes against everything that we feel, everything that we see, everything that we do, and we can still say, oh no, it's okay, even though it goes against all that stuff, we still live on a ball. That tells me that you are not able to think for yourself. You do not have the ability to think for yourself anymore, because clearly that is not true. Okay, now, if you can't think for yourself, you open yourself up to being able to be taken advantage of. It's that simple. I do not allow people to take advantage of me because I no longer trust all of this nonsense. I don't trust the mainstream narrative. I don't even let my grocery store take advantage of me. What do I mean? I learn how to make bread. I raise my own chickens. We raise tilapia. We do things. We don't need to go there every day. We only get the bare essentials. We do it ourselves. I make my own ice cream. I make my own cake. I make my own dough. I make my own bread. Everything is from scratch. I don't want to be taken advantage of, and I don't want to see anyone else being taken advantage of. That's why I promote learning, using your mind, buying equipment, and figuring it out, okay? You can buy a used Nikon P1950, and you can zoom in on a boat going over the curve, and you can see that there is no curve. So get the equipment, do it yourself. Don't trust me. I don't want you to trust me, because then you're just trusting someone else. I want you to do the work so you can figure it out on your own. But most people won't. They're just gonna call me crazy because they've been trained to, and they're gonna keep it moving. It is what it is. You can be that guy, or you can do the research. It's up to you. I love you all. Go to this website below if you want to learn more. This is my opinion. And remember, this video is my opinion. I love you all.